AutoDS is a leading dropshipping automation tool that simplifies selling on Amazon by handling product sourcing, listing, price, or stock monitoring, and order fulfillment. It supports Amazon to Amazon, reselling, Amazon to other platforms, or using Amazon as a supplier for dropshipping. Key steps to get started: sign up and choose plan. Go to AutoDS.com, register, often with a $1 trial offer. Select a plan based on listings or orders: import, starter, advanced. Connect your Amazon seller account in AutoDS dashboard, stores, add store, select Amazon. Log in with your Amazon seller, central credentials, professional seller account required, grant permissions. AutoDS connects and verifies, may take minutes. Source and import products. Use AutoDS Marketplace or Winning Products Hub, handpicked trending items from AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, etc. Filter by niche, profit margin, sales velocity. Bulk import, select products, import, set pricing rules, markup percent, dynamic break-even, titles, descriptions, images, push to Amazon listings. AutoDS handles variations, keywords. Automate operations. Enable price and stock monitoring. Auto adjusts prices, delists out of stock items. Turn on auto orders. When a sale occurs on Amazon, AutoDS places the order on the supplier, for example, AliExpress or Amazon buyer account, using your linked card, chart details. Fulfilled by AutoDS option uses their buyer accounts for seamless fulfillment, ideal if avoiding manual purchases. Monitor and scale. Dashboard shows profits, orders, alerts. Use reports for best sellers. Optimize listings. Scale by adding more products.